Good morning, Elena. How are you today?
Good morning, John. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. I was just thinking, mornings can be so busy. Getting ready for work is sometimes a race against the clock.
I agree. It can be challenging to fit everything in. Actually, morning routines are something I care about a lot. A good start makes the whole day better.
Absolutely. Maybe we can share our routines. I think it would be helpful for many people learning English, too. They can pick up simple words and ideas.
Great idea. Let's start from the beginning. How do you begin your day?
Sure. Well, my alarm rings at 6:30 a.m. First thing, I try not to hit snooze. I get out of bed and stretch a little.
That's smart. Stretching helps wake up the body.
Yes. Then I go straight to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I use a soft toothbrush and mint toothpaste. It helps me feel fresh.
Me too. I always brush my teeth first thing. I also wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel more awake.
I do that too. Then, after brushing and washing up, I head to the kitchen to prepare breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Something simple, usually toast with butter and jam and a cup of coffee. Sometimes I add boiled eggs or fruit.
Sounds good. I usually have oatmeal with honey and some fresh berries. And of course, green tea, my favorite.
Nice! After breakfast, it's time to get dressed. How do you choose your clothes?
Since I'm an employer and attend meetings, I like to look professional. I usually pick a blouse and trousers or a smart dress. I also check the weather. If it's cold, I add a blazer or coat.
That's a good tip. For me, I wear business casual, a shirt and pants. I try to iron them the night before so I'm not in a rush.
Very organized. What about shoes?
Polished black shoes for work. And I pack my bag. Laptop, charger, water bottle, and a snack.
Perfect. I do the same. I always double-check my calendar for the day, too. Meetings, deadlines, everything.
Good point. I also review my to-do list quickly. Then I grab my keys and head out.
Let me ask, do you think having a good morning routine helps your work performance?
Definitely. When I'm rushed, I feel stressed all day. But when I follow my routine, I feel calm and ready.
I feel the same. As an employer, I notice that employees who manage their mornings well tend to be more punctual and focused.
That makes sense. Do you encourage your team to have healthy routines?
Yes, I often share simple tips in team meetings like preparing clothes the night before, having a good breakfast, and getting enough sleep.
Those are great suggestions. I used to skip breakfast sometimes, but now I realize it affects my energy levels.
Exactly. A balanced breakfast really helps. And brushing your teeth and dressing well makes you feel more confident too.
True. One more thing. Do you listen to anything while getting ready?
Good question. I often listen to soft music or a short podcast. It puts me in a positive mood.
Same here. I listen to an English podcast or the news. It's a nice way to learn while getting ready.
That's a great habit. Many language learners can do the same. Brushing teeth, preparing breakfast, dressing up, all while listening to easy English.
Exactly. It's about making the most of your morning time.
Well, John, this was a fun chat. I hope our listeners found it helpful.
Me too, Elena. To everyone listening, we hope you start your mornings with a smile and a simple, healthy routine.
Yes. Remember, brush your teeth, eat a good breakfast, dress smart, and take a moment to plan your day.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Until next time.
Goodbye, and have a great day.